Hello everyone, my name is Azanrika. Welcome back to my YouTube channel No Campus. In this video, we will talk about a very important and non-negotiable topic, the groundwater. So in this video, we will talk about how the groundwater is formed, what is groundwater, how the depletion of groundwater occurs, the impacts of groundwater depletion, and how we can conserve the groundwater for our future use. So let's begin, because the groundwater is the silent lifeline of over 2 billion peoples in this earth. Imagine turning on your tap and nothing comes out. Scary, right? Groundwater is vital for our survival. It's what fills our river, lakes, and taps. Groundwater is a water that fills cracks and space in the earth. It's different from surface water, which we see in rivers and lakes. Wells, tube wells, and springs are sources of groundwater. How does groundwater form? The magic starts with rainfall. Groundwater lies beneath the surface. When it rains, water infiltrates the ground. This is called infiltration. The water then moves deeper, a process known as percolation. Rain, rivers, and lakes all contribute. Soil plays a key role in this cycle. Aquifers are underground layers of water. They can be confined or unconfined. These aquifers naturally recharge, bringing water back into the system. Why is groundwater so important? It's a major source of drinking water. We rely on it for agriculture and irrigation. It's also used in industries and homes.
Groundwater supports ecosystems, especially during dry seasons. But what is groundwater? It means using more water than is naturally replaced. Over-extraction can lower water tables. This leads to dry wells and springs. What causes groundwater depletion?
Excessive irrigation in agriculture is a major factor. Industries also use a lot of water. Climate change brings irregular rainfall. Deforestation reduces areas that help recharge groundwater. Let's talk about groundwater in India. India relies heavily on groundwater, especially for farming. This impacts farmers and rural communities. Many regions experience groundwater stress. Looking at groundwater globally, it's crucial for everyone. Many countries faces severe groundwater scarcity. We all need to manage groundwater sustainably for the future. In conclusion, groundwater is essential. We must conserve it responsibly.
Whether you are an individual, part of a community, or in government, each of us plays a role. Protecting groundwater ensures a safe and sustainable future for all. So next time you use water, think about where it comes from. Let's work together to protect our hidden gem beneath our feet. Did you know that over 2 billion people rely on groundwater? Groundwater is critical for drinking, agriculture, and industry.
However, its depletion raises environmental concerns. Let's take a closer look at the laws and orders governing groundwater use in India and worldwide. Groundwater laws aims to manage this precious resource sustainably. In many countries, these laws govern extraction, protection, and conservation. In India, groundwater is regulated under the Groundwater Management and Regulation Bill. The bill aims to prevent over extraction and ensure fair usage. In India, states can implement their regulations. These often include licensing for drilling and extraction. The bill encourages sustainable practices like rainwater harvesting and aquifer recharge. Globally, various countries have unique approaches. For example, Australia implements a system of water rights. This assigns specific groundwater quantities to users, promoting responsible use. In contrast, the UK protects groundwater under the Water Resources Act. This ensures water quality through strict regulations. One farmer could be a farmer in Rajasthan. The farmers needs water for crops but must adhere to local regulations. They might opt for rainwater harvesting, benefiting both their farm and the environment. This shows how laws link to a sustainable practices. In summary, groundwater laws help manage and conserve this vital resource. They vary across countries but share the goal of protecting groundwater. Understanding these laws is crucial for sustainable water use worldwide. So, how would you find my video? I hope you will spread awareness among people, society, children regarding this topic, because just remember, the groundwater is the silent lifeline of 2 billion people. Just take 2 billion people. So, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.